Bankruptcy back in the day was like a black plague. You know, today it still makes it a difficult process, but at the same time, the explanation as to why the bankruptcy took place. I mean, you could have a bankruptcy because you had an embezzlement loss. You could have a situation where somebody stole a lot of money from you and you were depending on that person, and all of a sudden you thought you had a lot of money, and the next day the money's not there. There's a lot of issues that can drive a bankruptcy. Poor management is the kiss of death if you have a bankruptcy. And typically in the underwriting process, that kind of comes out. So it's not going to kill the deal to have a bankruptcy. It is the explanation behind why the bankruptcy occurred.